Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be solving Cambridge AS Level Information Technology Paper 2 for the year May-June 2019. So we are going to edit a video to advertise New Year celebrations that will take place. Original clips were filmed on 31st December. All files produced must be of professional standard. Create a new document called evidence followed by your candidate number and center number. So I have prepared the evidence document here. And these are the files which we require. Open and examine the file elma1.mp4 and set the image ratio to 16:9. So I'm using the editor Movie Maker to edit the video. So elma1 has to be dragged to the editor, and we have to set the image ratio to 16:9. So click on project. The image ratio is 16:9. Remove the first 4.8 seconds of the clip. So click on edit. We have trim tool. So first 4.8 seconds has to be removed. So the start point we can set as 4.80. Save trim. So now the first part of the video is removed. Next we have to trim the video in such a way that only 10 seconds remain. So keep the slider in such a way that it is at 10 seconds. Keep it in such a way that it is at 10.03, because when you cut, a slight change will be there. And now you can click on split and then remove the second part. Now the video is exactly 10 seconds. Take a snapshot of the first frame from the video clip. Add the file elmaarms.png in the top right corner to create a background image. So take a screenshot from the first frame. This is the first frame. So click on Home, Snapshot. Save the snapshot in your folder. Now we have to place this image on the top of the snapshot like this. So I'm using Photoshop for that. First open the snapshot. Now we have to place the image, Elma Arms. So go to File. You have to place the image. Click on Place Embedded. This is the image. Now we have to resize this image in such a way that it is almost half the height of the snapshot. So resize it. Now you can move this here. So this is fine. Now save this, export. Export as JPG. Give the name background. Save. Place this title background at the start of your video and display it for 10 seconds. So we have to add the background now. This is the background image and it should be placed for 10 seconds. So set it as 10 seconds. The duration of the frame must be 10 seconds. Add the text, "Celebrate the New Year with us," to the title in a white sans serif font like this. So add the title from home, title, it must be sans serif. Let us set it as Arial. Reduce the size. Okay. Now we have to move this text to the title. So move this here. Add an appropriate animation to place this text. So you can choose any animation from here. Take a snapshot of the last frame of the video clip to create a background image for a caption. So the duration of the text also can be set as 10 seconds. Take a snapshot of the last frame of the video clip to create a background image for a caption. So keep the slider at the end. Take a snapshot again. Snapshot 2. In order to add the caption, click here. And the caption is the location, fireworks at midnight, date of the event. The location you can see it is Elmau, Austria. And the date is 31st December 2018. So the location is Elmau, Austria. Then fireworks in the midnight. Date is 31st December 2018. Let us keep it here so that it is visible in the background. We have to give an appropriate effect to the caption. Select this and choose any other effect. Place the video elmau2.mp4 after the caption. So drag the elmau2 video after the caption. Use a 2-second transition to change from the caption background to the video clip. So we have to give a 2-second transition. So go to animations. You can choose any transition from here, and it must be 2 seconds. So since the transition is 2 seconds, you can see the text will extend to this one. So we can just reduce the duration of the text from this caption. Go to format. The text duration can be changed to 5 seconds so that it will be appearing only in the snapshot. Select an appropriate background and transition for the credits. Place this at the end of the video and display it for 7 seconds. So for an appropriate background, we can take the last frame as the last frame of this video as the background. So take a snapshot again, snapshot 3. Place this at the end of the video to display for 7 seconds. So we have to add appropriate credits to match the brief. So the credits can be given. So let us include the credits first. Click on credits. So credits you can check from here. It was filmed by GPR video. So you can add that. And edited by, you can add your name, candidate number and sender number. Now the credits should appear on this background. Let us move this credit here. You can remove this. We have to also choose an appropriate transition. So let us give a transition for the credits. Let us set the starting point of credits as 35 so that it is not included in the transition. Next we have to export the video in MP4 format with the file name elma1. So let us export the video. File, save movie. You can give recommended for this project and save inside your folder followed by your center number and candidate number. Save the video. Next, open and examine the file opera.mp3 in appropriate editing software. So I'm using Audacity for sound editing. So drag the file here. Remove the end of the clip so that only 43 seconds remain. So we need the clip only till 43 seconds. So let us select till 43 and then you can use trim. So it is trimmed. Edit this file so that it has an appropriate fade in and fade out. So select the first few seconds and click on effect and you can give fade in. And same way select the last few seconds, effect, fade out. Save this audio clip in MP3 format with the file name Opera 2. So file, export audio 2 followed by your center number and candidate number, and it must be MP3 file. Save inside your folder. Add this soundtrack to your video so that they start and finish at the same time. So this is the video. Let us add the soundtrack. So click on home, add music at the current point. You can select the file Opera 2, click on open. Export your video in WMV format with file LMOV2. So file, save movie, recommended for this project. It must be WMV format. So Windows Media File, LMOV2 followed by your center number and candidate number. So the video is saved. Next step, export or convert your video into AVI format with file name LMOV3 followed by your center number and candidate number. So in order to export as AVI format, since it does not support in Movie Maker, I'm using Format Factory. So you want to convert to AVI. Select AVI here. Now add the file. Add this file. Click on OK. Check whether the output folder is your own folder. Click on Start. So you can see you have all the files saved here. So this is the end of the video and sound editing task. Next is the database task. You can check the description for the link to the database task. I hope you liked my video. Please like, comment and share. Those who have not subscribed till now, please subscribe so that you can be aware of the new videos. Thank you for now.